Thanks for tuning in to the Scientific Notation Calculator from MathCelebrity.com. If you have a number that you want to convert to scientific notation, something like this, you can type something like this. If you have scientific notation that you want to convert back to a number, something like that, you could do that too. And finally, later in the video, I'll show you how to do scientific notation operations. Or if you just wanted to get to the calculator and make your decision there, you could type scientific notation. So first we'll do 456 to scientific notation. Press the calculator or return key, and we jump to our calculator. So the calculator recognizes that you entered a number and you want to convert to scientific notation. What it does is it tells you, here's how the form we want to get it in. It tells you how many decimal place shifts you need to get it into that format, and finally it gets your answer. Now, if you're on the calculator already, and not in the search engine, you could type your number right in the box there, and you don't have to say convert to scientific because it knows that. So we'll do a number like this, and press the calculate button. So this time we shift our decimal place 2 to the left, and we get our new number. So we go to the shortcuts tab here. Here's some of the shortcuts you can enter anywhere on our site. So you don't have to be on a scientific notation lesson. You can enter it in this box anywhere on the site. So we're going to use this example. And again, you could type this in the calculator box here, but I want to show you the power of the site, so we'll type it here. Press the calculator or return key. Now the calculator recognizes, okay, you entered scientific notation, let's go back to a number. So it kind of lists out this step here. We need to get it back into this format. So what it does is it raise 10 to the 6th power and multiplies it by your outside decimal. And now here's your number from scientific notation to a decimal. Finally, if you want to do some operations, you can do something like this. I've seen this listed in classes with the E. So if we drop this in here, something like this, and press the calculator return key, now our calculator recognizes, okay, you're doing a scientific operation. Before I show you the math here, I'm going to let you know that you could also enter this right here if you're on the scientific notation lesson. So what this does is it breaks out each term in parentheses. And then it raises those to the powers of 10. And finally you get your number. It simplifies it and gets it back into scientific notation. So that's pretty much it. We've got a generate practice problem button. You press that once, and it generates a completely random number for you to convert to scientific notation. It's a pretty cool practice tool if you run out of problems in your textbook. We also have a quiz generator for this lesson. For more information on how to use that, you can visit the video link under this folder here. If you have any questions for me or enhancement suggestions, please use the Contact Us link. Thanks for watching.